Hey guys, now I will introduce to you the very informative and useful application when you go to Japan, travel around Japan, and use train. When use train, the application name is JR Train Info. Okay, and if you open it, when you open it, you can search for the routes you have to take very easily. Okay, for example, search route here, tap, and you have to type the name of the station you will start to use, and you will start from, and the end station name here. Okay, so this time if you want to go to Shinjuku station at Tokyo, near Tokyo, Shinjuku, yeah, here, Shinjuku. So tap Shinjuku, and this time, for example, you come to Japan by maybe the international airline. So you will arrive at Haneda Airport. So you will tap Haneda. Haneda, and you will get the Haneda Airport domestic terminal and international terminal. Maybe you will use this international terminal, so tap this. Yeah, and search very easily, and you can get a lot of information. Okay, the time is about 40 minutes, and the cost is 610 yen. And this shows how you should use the Japanese trains. For example, from Haneda Airport International Terminal, you have to use KQ Airport Line Limited Express for 40 minutes, and transfer from Shinagawa, and use Yamanote Line for Shibuya and Shinjuku, and you can get only 90 minutes in Shinjuku. Yeah, very easily, very informative. This application will provide you with. If you want to use this application, the problem is that you have to know in advance the name of station you will want to go to. So, for example, if we want to go to Tokyo Tower, but you have to search for in advance the name of station near the Tokyo Tower if you want to get there, because you have to type the name of the station. So that is the problem. And one problem about this application is these trains include only east area of Japan trains. So if we want to go to Osaka, this will not work. That is another problem. But if you want to travel around the east areas of Japan, this is very informative, useful application. I suggest. I highly recommend you. Thank you.